Hey guys, so in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can connect any CRM to your AI voice agent so that data get transferred to your uh, CRM itself. And you can connect any CRM if it is having a module in your automation tool, whichever you're using, let's say Make.com or Edited or Zapier, and you can connect that either, or you can have if your CRM offers API or your client CRM offer API, then you can connect it by that. If it doesn't offer API or and it neither have the module in your automation tool, then you cannot connect that CRM because the officially company doesn't offer the connection, and so you forgot about that, and you must use any other CRM. Okay, so that's the point. And you must let's start the building the post call analysis and connect that. And I have seen most people do this by calling the function, which basically sometimes AI forgot to run. And that's why post call analysis part is useful in that, because it always runs and it works every time because the call ends, it automatically runs itself, and the data gets in your CRM. We will just do that all. Just let's build that. And firstly, you need to build the prompt. We are not building this in this video, but if you want the video, you can tell me in future. I will build that. Okay. And remember to add these things so that the AI can collect that on call. Then only it will work. When the AI will ask questions, we will set up the post call analysis, and another AI after the call ends will analyze it and add it to your CRM. You just need to mention all the details you want to collect in the call. And now once you have built the prompt, now go to post call analysis part. I've already added these. You just need to, I will tell you how you can do that. Firstly, you need to select a model. You can use any, the data varies with smarter models, but GPT-4 or mini works well for me, so I am using that only. You can use any other. Just select that, and you what how you need to add that. You need to click add, and you can add it in text, selector, boolean, and number. So what are these? Okay, so what are these? The text part here, if you want the data to be collected in form of text and you want to get the, let's say, the name of the user or a summary of the call, you can describe that here, and the AI will get that and get those details in the form of text. uh, Selector part, basically it is used to select a user. Let's say the caller, the person talking, you need to qualify them as you, and you can describe it here in the description how which type of customer you consider as qualified and which type of customer you consider as not qualified. So you can describe that in detail so that the AI can understand and qualify. You can add the choices. Let's say for qualification, add qualify and non qualify. It basically selects that. And for Boolean, it basically does is true and false. And if the user did the user book the appointment, if it's true, then it's true, and if it's false, it's false. Okay. So for number, it basically collects the numbers. So that's it. And you need to add that. Let's say we have added name. You need to describe how what is the name and how it can be collected. Let's say just need to describe that so that the AI can understand. So for name, it just basically it's the username. This type of description is enough to for AI to understand that. You can add those details whichever you want to collect and call, and that's it. So we have said this post call analysis in the retail. Now we need to connect it by Make.com, our automation tool, so that we can uh, get those data from retail to our CRM. Okay, so in this case, in the CRM we are using is Airtable. So you can use any, like let's say HubSpot or Google Sheets even. You can choose that and you can build that. Okay, so we are here in our Make.com automation. we are using this. You can use Airtel or Zapier, whichever you want, but Make.com offers 1,000 operation free per month. So it's basically good, very good for testing out, and it's also visual, so you can choose that. And let's add this. Firstly, you need to add a webhook from here. You need to add custom webhook, not custom mail hook, but custom webhook. Add that, and you need to add it from here and name it anything. Basically, it's just for the remembering that the webhook is there, and basically describe that. You can name it anything. Let's say we are using YT demo post go and save that right here, copy this address, go to Retell AI again, and go to Webhook settings. Now I've done basically. You need to paste this right here. Just paste this, and that's it. We are done. Now go to Make.com again, and just save it here, and now you need to add your CRM basically, whichever you're using. We are using Airtable in this case, as I have told you, and you can either, if your module is not here in the modules, then you can add it. If it offers API connection, then you can add it by HTTP. But we are using Airtable, so its module is already available. You can add that, and you need to create a record. And if you need to update also a record, you can use that. And any other, let's say, delete a record or anything. For example, if you are using update a record and AI caller is there, and it's not called, then you can update. When it's called, you can update it by, let's say, call. Then you can use update a record, and let's use create a record in this, and just add it from here. You can add it by two ways. You can, I've already added mine, so I will not add this. You just need to add it. Simple. Okay, so just add this, and basically now go to your CRM and add all the columns, whichever details you want to collect. Let's say we are collecting name, phone number, service required, address, booking time, transcript, and recording. Let's say we also want to add a summary of the call, so we will create a field about that also. Okay, so that's how you can create that. I've already created that. Okay, now go to wake.com again and just select that the base in this, the Airtable is having base. You need to select that and select your table now. It's basically base is basically the workspace of that table, and you here are all the details. Just hit save for now. We will just map that out. And now for this, just hit save and right click here and run this module only. Just do this and go to Retell AI, and just here in the test audio button, hit test and just end the call.
Hello, thanks for
That's what we need to do. And here are the details. Now you can see in the event there is call started. We don't want call started, but instead we want call analyze. So what you basically need to do is that click here on run once and use existing data. Click here, and you can see here is call ended part. We don't need call ended, we want call analyze. Okay, so run this once again and use existing data. Okay, so basically here you can see call analyze part is here in the event. Now what you need to go do is click here right in the middle of the two modules and map this event, and right here you can select text operator. It's defaultly selected text operators equal to. We are basically setting up the up filter. You can see I've just showed you it basically comes in three parts. We don't want the two parts, call ended and call started part, but we need call analyze part. That's why we are setting filters so that the call analyze part is only the one which whose data goes away. Let's say next to the next module. Just hit save here, and that's it. Now for go in your CRM module, and we just need to map out the data. And in the you can see the call analysis part. Just click here, and now you can go to custom analysis part, map out the details which you have added in the post call analysis part. We are just mapping that out. Okay, we have mapped that out. Now, for the transcript part, it will not be in the custom analysis data, but here is the transcript. You can see the transcript is here. You just need to map that. And for recording URL, here is the recording URL. You just need to map that out also. And for summary, you can see call analysis part, but not in the custom analysis data. It's here in the call here analysis call summary and just hit save. We are done with the post call analysis part. Now, you just need to save the scenario and run this immediately as data arrives. And you can add any other module. Let's say you want to send an email to your client or yourself for after the data has been recorded. You can add that, and you can also add anything else you want. You just need to add Gmail, but we are not doing this in this case. We are done with that. Let's test this if it works or not. Okay, so basically what we need to do firstly, we need to delete the yeah. Okay, now let's test our agent out. And also, it will not work in the test chat world. It will work only in the audio one because it works when the call is ended. Not in the, it will not be working in the chat part. Okay, remember that. And now, okay, so guys, let's test our agent. You can see there is no data here in the CRM. Now let's click test and test this out.
Hello, thanks for calling Express Service. How may I help you?
Yeah, I need a service quote.
We'd be happy to provide a quote. Please note that an inspection is required to give an accurate estimate. The inspection typically costs $70, but this fee is waived if you choose Express HVAC for the service. Would you like to schedule an inspection?
Yeah, sure.
Great. May I have your name to get started?
John.
Thank you, John. Could you please provide your phone number?
It's 95896422221.
Got it. Could you please provide the service address?
It's in 123 Main Street.
Thank you. What type of service do you need? For example, heating, cooling,
I need
ventilation,
I
or
need AC repair.
understood AC repair. What date would you prefer the inspection? Please note that we schedule appointments Monday through Friday.
I would like to book it on next Monday at 10 a.m.
Thank you. Let me check the availability for next Monday at 10 a.m. Just a moment. We have availability on Monday, November 3rd at 10 a.m., 11 a.m., or 12 p.m. Which time works best for you?
10 a.m.
Perfect. Let me confirm the details before booking. Name, John. Phone number, 958-964-2221. Service address, 123 Main Street Service, AC repair booking
Yeah,
time,
yeah,
10
it's
a.m.
correct.
Shall I booking the appointment for Monday, November 3rd at 10 a.m.? Your appointment has been successfully booked for Monday, November 3rd at 10 a.m. Thank you for choosing Express HVAC.
Okay, the call was amazing, and now let's check our CRM. There is no data. Now you can see the data has arrived because the automation was running at that time. So that's the delay, and it typically takes 3 to 4 seconds to come data after the call. And you can see name John and phone number, AC repair, address, and the booking date, booking time, transcript of the call. You can read this full. Just let me show you. You can see full transcript of the call is there. You can see that's amazing. And the recording URL, you can click here and the link will be downloaded to your system. You can see and the this recording you can listen to in your system. And the summary of the call, you can read that also. And you can add any other details you want to collect. And this is how we connect any CRM. And you can connect your client's CRM or anyone's you wanted to connect. Okay, so that's it for the video. Hope you like that. If you want to work with me and have an AI voice agent for your business, you can go in description and book a free consulting call. I will be providing you with all details. And so that's it. Thank you. Hope you like that.